Going back to JUNKCON 2021, I really didn't know what to expect when we went down. I was really pleasantly surprised with how it went. Got a ton of good information.
This is investing in myself. Why wouldn't I go?
It's really cool just to get to interact with a lot of other guys in the industry from all over the country who are just there, to talk about junk and to get better and encourage each other.
Hey, how are things going? What have you learned? Your sales up. So yeah, it's a wonderful thing.
Because how many people own a junk removal company, So to be able to come under one roof and everyone gets to talk, and share what they do in their business and what's helped them and not helped them, and, just bounce ideas back and forth.
I want to go over how to add new services to explore that. What's the latest and greatest in junk removal, and also hear from some of the vendors there. We're not able to be in Sam's $1 Million Breakfast Club, but maybe in a few years. So,
just to learn from each other, any good things that are working, things that don't work. Again, it flattens that learning curve.
I would have to say to anybody who was saying to themselves, should I go? Shouldn't I go to JUNKCON 2022? I will tell you from my experience and what I got out of JUNKCON 21, and knowing what you guys are doing for 22, you almost can't miss it.